Hey guys, come with me to check out this 14-inch gel-infused memory foam cooling mattress from Novilla. I'm going to walk you through why this mattress is awesome and why you're probably going to want it after you watch this video. All right, you guys, so this is an awesome queen size mattress. This is memory foam and it's kind of like a medium firmness. So you can see when I push on it right here that we are getting some give. So it is not just super firm. It has a little bit of give, but it is memory foam, which is awesome. I absolutely love that feature. It's also gel infused and it is a cooling mattress. So this thing is awesome. It's 14 inches. So you can see right here how large this mattress actually is, which is just going to give it a lot more of a comfortable vibe. So I absolutely love this. Here's what the top of it looks like. It's got these cute kind of designs on them, and then I'll kind of show you the side view as well, so you can see really how large and how comfortable this mattress actually is. I love it because it has multiple layers of the gel infused memory foam, which is just making it overall such a comfortable feel. This is a great bed for any type of sleeper, so whether you are a side sleeper, a stomach sleeper, or a back sleeper, this is a great fit for you. If you guys are on the hunt for a new mattress, I highly recommend checking out this Novilla mattress. Again, this is the queen sized 14-inch memory foam mattress that has cooling features to it and it is gel infused. So 10 out of 10, super comfortable, has great give when you lay down on it. So make sure that you guys hop on and check this one out.